one. Today we're looking at the EverBrite rechargeable work light. We will show you guys what it looks like at nighttime, but this is it. 2 magnets on here, and you can also mount it on a tripod. So anything metal this can stick to. On the back here is where you charge it at. That's super bright. Well, we'll show you the lighting effects at nighttime. You got 2 different lights. You got LEDs there. You can keep it up like that. You can have it like that. You know, you can have it tilt down like that. So, a couple of different options. You got a battery indicator light right here. Press here. You can adjust the brightness by just turning this on. So, a couple options. Let's show you guys at nighttime. So this is it. So even without it being fully dark, you can see how bright it is. So this is the one light. This is not this one. Here you have this one, which is just kind of like a wide, much wider angle. So it lights up a lot of stuff, difference.